Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's all about this new U-part crochet unit that I did make using this Freetress oval part cap. It does come with 3 combs and no adjustable straps. It does have that plastic piece at the top, but that's just to create the wig, and then you go ahead and cut that off once you install the wig on your head. So these are spring twists. This is not the hair that I'm using in this video. I'm just using this clip to show you how to create the wig using the wig cap. So you literally just crochet through the netted cap just like you normally would crochet through braids. So this is one section, and that's just giving you an idea of how far to space the hair apart. So this is the actual hair that I used to create this wig. It's the Freetress BOHO hippie braid in 22 inch, and I did use it in the color 1. I did get this hair from Divatress, so thank you so much Divatress for sponsoring this video today. As you can see, these braids are super cute because they do have strands of hair that are hanging from the braid, which gives you that bohemian style without all the extra work of braiding the hair yourself and having to pull those crochet pieces, having to pull those twisted curled pieces out of the braid as you go along. This literally has it ready for you, just ready to go. So this is what the U part looks like on your head. Remember to cut off those 2 plastic pieces. That just helps you to crochet the braids into the netted cap. So you go ahead and use the combs to place the cap comfortably onto your braids, and don't forget to position the comb in the back as well. Make sure your U-part unit is laying nice and flat, and make sure that you have enough braids on the cap to your liking. I was happy with this amount of braids. I did have 4 packs of braids on the cap, and it's not super thick. If you wanted more, you can always do that. I just wanted a more natural density. This is what the braids look like and what the loop looks like. The loop is nice and large, so you shouldn't have any problems crocheting this into your hair or into the cap. So this is how I went ahead and crocheted it into my hair. Please do not mind my nails. I will be getting them done very shortly. As you know, I am nails obsessed. So I'll be going to see my nail tech on Thursday at 7 o'clock. In case you all were wondering. So this is me just going ahead and crocheting the rest of the crochet braids into my braids. I did use about a pack and a half to go ahead and crochet into the top of this U-part section, crocheting it into my own braids. And yeah, so as you can see, it does a really great job. Now my braids are really old. I tend to like crochet braids on really old braids. When the braids are super duper tight, it's a lot harder to blend and to look natural. So this is pretty much the last crochet braid and the end results. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I hope you guys are liking this channel. If you feel like this review and video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. I'll be doing a lot more tutorials and wig reviews, so make sure that you turn on the bell and hit that notification so you are notified when I'm posting new videos, okay? Love you guys so much. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at JessTheDragoness with 3 S's at the end, and make sure you're liking my Facebook like page, which is at JessTheDragoness. I'll talk to you guys in the next one, and make sure you stay tuned to the end. Peace out.